Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I go by Lee Malvis, and so far on this journey, I look. I said this last time. If you guys don't know me by now, I go by Lee Malvis, and I'm recording my journey as far as having $0 to $500, and how would I invest that $0 to $500 in the stock market. This isn't financial advice, by the way, so please do not take it as financial advice. This is just me recording my journey and just uploading it onto YouTube and sharing my mistakes and sharing some of the things that I learned throughout the journey, so that way you guys can learn and don't make the same mistakes. So today is a bloody day. I mean, things caught back up. I could have had some buying opportunities, better buying opportunities when the market opened, but we still have some buying opportunities here, so we're gonna make a lot of purchases. We're gonna go really fast because there's a lot of buying opportunities right now before things turn green. So we're gonna buy $1 worth of Bank of America. We got that. We also gonna get, let's see what Coca-Cola is at. We're gonna get some Coca-Cola. Like I said, it doesn't matter if it's red day or not. We're gonna add. Alright, doesn't matter if I'm up. If it's a red day, we're gonna add. So we add some Coca-Cola. Definitely gonna add some Spy. Here. Add some Spy. We're gonna buy a lot of stocks. A lot of things are right today. Fire discount. Oh my god, when the market open, I gotta just start recording when I see fire sales. Sometimes I will like see it and I got other things going on and I'm like, let me just record later. Whenever the opportunity comes, I'll just grab it. But that's how you have to treat this when you're first starting. Like, I don't know this was going to be the perfect buying point, but hey, as long as the math keeps averaging, eventually, like, I won't have to worry about finding the perfect buying point because I'm just stacking days, baby. Just stacking days, ladies and gentlemen. And it's in the video. We're going to have some cost average up and we're going to have some cost average down. Like this in the video. We went up on the video, which is fine. Got a little bit more to go. Netflix, we're probably gonna chill out on Netflix on that. Microsoft just turned green, so we're gonna chill on that. Google, we're asking Google. We're asking Google here. Google. Definitely add some metal, it's coming down today. Add some silver. Silver. Gold. Definitely add some gold. And then copper. And tomorrow I'll probably make another deposit. Fine. Copper, last one. Alright. So we literally bought everything that was red. Everything that was red, we bought, except for Netflix. Netflix was freaking up on. But everything that was red, we got some. We got some. So, ladies and gentlemen, during this journey, what I've learned is to really imply these small consistent wins in other aspects of your life, right? I'm finding new problems within being consistent, and these new problems are they're good problems, right? And I'm using the consistency and the momentum in other areas, and it's slowly like the gears are slowly grinding. The gears are slowly going. So use that momentum, and I won't even say it's motivation. It's really momentum, because guys, I've been doing this since November 13th. Today is March 3rd. March 3rd. So approximately more than 3 months has gone by, and they say like what 21 days make a habit or whatever. Like the market is only open 5 days out the week. Some days there's holidays. So just doing the markets, right? Just being in the market, consistency doesn't necessarily mean 7 days a week. Consistency necessarily means when the opportunity is presented, what do? How do you treat it? Because in the stock market, there's only 252 trading days in a year. And if there's only 252 trading days in a year, that's not every day. That's not 365. So that means I gotta make the most out of the 252. And you gotta make the most. And I say that because sometimes the most for us could be like, let's say your non-strength area. Let's say you're like a 70% in that area. If that 70% is your max it out, baby. Max it out. So today's Tuesday. We had yesterday's event in the market. We have today's, and yeah, let's see what the rest. Quarter one is about to end, so let's see how this goes. We're gonna make another deposit here soon. We're almost halfway through the series, actually, guys. The series, how to invest from $0 to $500. We're almost halfway there. And this series is done. And I'm gonna give you guys another series, how to invest once you already have $500, 500 to 25K. Like once you've already been investing and you got a little bit of money and you're trying to figure out what to do, how to manage that, because every layer of investment is a different habit. It's a different mindset that you have to have. So ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the journey, enjoy the process now, because the journey usually ends and begins with a new chapter, right? Like it's like going to school, right? You graduate kindergarten, like that chapter ends and you begin a new chapter. First grade, second grade, and you've been building on top of these levels. And the levels that you learned prior, yes, sometimes you can apply it to like later. Sometimes it's just there as your foundation. So right now, that's 0 to 500, guys. That's step one. Once we get out of step one, we're into step two, ladies and gentlemen. So if you guys don't already follow me on my social medias at TikTok and Instagram, it is Strictly Financial, and I'll leave you guys with that, and I'll see you guys on the next time. Let's go, baby.